All right. Okay. Oof. We're trading the Nasdaq. This is November 30th. November 30th. And it's a pretty good trading day so far. Let's pause here. I haven't been paying attention really. All right, so we had a swing high first. Second entry, great entry right there. We've been entering 3 points above our signal bar after the first tick. So here we have this guy, which is bar ends at. I'm gonna have to make it bigger. Usually trade on the monitor over here, as well as on this guy. Yeah, so right there, our entry is 87, and we just go 3 points out. So that's 1 point, and that's the third point right there. As you can see, it just comes right there. It is can be, pulls right back. That's the way we want to take those trades. We take those. Yeah, 3 points out. I was thinking about 4 points. No, 3.5 points originally, but then it seemed like 3 points was solid play. Kind of matches up with the 4 ticks, or yeah, 4 ticks on the ES. So that's basically what we're trying to do. I've been doing a little bit of testing, adjusting all the prices and stuff. So 1 tick is 50 cents in this market, and the ES is $1.25 in there for each tick. However, even though that seems like a lot less, you can tell by these lines. Each line represents 2 points. So from here to here, that's 2 points. And as you can see, there is an insane amount of volatility. If this is actually normal behavior. So normal scalp, which we would get, we actually changed it. These past 2 trades weren't it. I was just 1 tick off. I just adjusted it. So those last 2 trades were actually 14 ticks. Now we adjusted it to 15 ticks, and that equals the $7.50 for 1 contract. So 15 ticks, $7.50, which is the same amount we would scalp out in the ES, which is the 6 ticks, the $1.20, point and a half. So this is actually how many points? Almost 4 points. So yeah, it's a lot more points, a lot more volatility, but it's basically the exact same concept. This market moves a lot faster, significantly faster. Intraday margin required to trade it is doubled. 500 on MES. Micro Nasdaq, it's 1,000. No, I'm sorry, 500 for the ES. Nasdaq 1,000. MES 100. Micro MNQ. It's a little hard. I like micro Nasdaq. Anyway, yeah, and the scalp is almost the same. The scalp out or the stop out, a loss would be $12.25. Stop, which is 9 ticks. Here it's not 9 ticks obviously, but it's $11. $11 stop out, because we can't get 11.25 since 50 cents is each tick. You can't, 25. You just can't. And I think we'll play around with that if we have to move on the extra tick. I mean, it's a little tick. You see, tick really doesn't make a difference in this entire market. I mean, you got it or you don't got it. And if a tick actually matters, and you got super lucky, get this market insane. So yeah, so far we had a swing high first entry. The market was pushing up, and it's nice to know that psychology is still coming into here. People are looking for way to enter this huge uptrend that was happening here. No one really picking tops. I mean, you could have maybe, but we were just looking at that, and the day really starts right here. So we've been on the uptrend on this day. So when people got that opportunity to take it, we went short. Fantastic trade. Fantastic. That was our runner. Our runner was at 30 ticks out. I don't know which that is. Yeah. Sounds like a lot, but it really isn't much. Just one contract. It's not more than like $12. Anyway, yeah. So $72 divided. We would be done with this. We're trading 4 contracts here. We're gonna continue on with just 1 contract just to get. Maybe we'll keep. I don't know. So then we come on over here, and it looks like set up a new swing high. So we'll go ahead and see, are we going to be taking this for decide what we want to be buying or selling. Just by looking at this, we want to be buying. Market's on a good strong down. And obviously buying would scalp right there. I would be super hesitant to continue this just because it's a strong downtrend. People are already convinced that this is gonna. Yeah, 5 minutes into this video and going. All right, even though there's a huge bar there, our actual entrance is right in up in here. So right there is would you be our entrance, and you would have got stepped out easily. Yeah. You really want to be buying there because it just looks like a strong downtrend. You got this guy here, and this guy. Those are the things I'd be looking at. And so people might be going long here now just because it's been pushing up. So we have to keep on mind, be mindful of that. Let's go ahead and figure something out here. This is normal speed. Yes. Baby, I load up. Baby, it's cold. I don't like that. There's some not enough. Anyway, let's go ahead and try to figure this out loud. Down. Prices look like they're going in the other direction. So we could suspect a lot of buys coming in. Reason why, if we've been on a stronger downtrend here, like if this guy wasn't here, we've just been coming up from the top here, just coming down, then I would say go ahead and buy here. But the fact that we had this strong upward movement here, I actually think selling is the better option. We could take the second entry. We're not really comfortable taking those yet. So you would have had your entry right there. It pulled in and pulled right back out. Yeah, boy. Yeah. So it actually looks like people were still trying to sell this thing, even after a spike like that. You gonna see that. Interesting. So now we can, based on the behavior here, we suspect a lot of people are still trying to long here, based on the short-term trend. So if this keeps pushing up a little higher, that'd be a lot easier to make a decision. But right now it's still a little difficult because we had this downtrend, not too strong of an uptrend. Still can take this into consideration. It looks like it didn't even come into consideration with traders here. People just kept going short. An interesting one. We could have took that on an obvious. I don't even know what an obvious is. It get the one ticker, right? Maybe an obvious is, I don't know, we'll see. So I stepped away from my computer and we missed a ton of trades. Okay, we could just go ahead and take a quick look. Dang. Right, so 8:30 comes in right around here. Swing low, first entry, second entry. We can imagine a ton of people trying to catch on this trade. I don't know if don't necessarily know if I'm buying here. Definitely not be buying. So I think here's an opportunity for people to buy. So I would actually take a position to sell here. Unless we got triggered here, we would not be able to enter that trade. I think it actually pushes lower here up, so no matter what, it breaks lower. It could have broke higher this way, or even if it goes this way then upwards. If it did that, I don't think we even got filled either way. A non-obvious. So then it sells off. Here we would want to be looking for a buy because of this strong downtrend that's going on here. So there it is. It looks like it actually, yeah, no matter what, since it closed on its high, we can imagine it opened up, pushed down, then pushed right back up. Would we have gotten into this trade? Let's figure it out. Entrance would be at 50. So that's 2 points out, 3 points out, and yeah, we would have got filled and got the scalp. Ooh. All right, cool. So that would have been 4 winners right there. No, just kidding. We already sell the market. It's easy to say. So go ahead and hit play and let's see what happens. So this is the NASDAQ. That would have been 4 trades already. The ES was like that during the elections. This is after the elections, and that's still kind of crazy. Would be a crazy day for the ES. Like this would be the entire day, but it's barely 8:40, 8:41 now. And yeah, so yeah. Now the market's working down here. We can suspect a lot of people wanting to go short here. Yeah. All right, I actually think going long here is actually the better option. If we were trading second entries going long, trading second entries the normal way, I would take it. But just the only thing I don't agree with signal bars really. Say, oh yeah, it's a terrible signal bar. Just prices closed here. We would have to figure out a way how to treat that, you know, even though we're technically using signal bars, but don't really mind. It's an interesting topic actually, because our trades require signal bars, you know. This pushes up a little higher, we'll go ahead and go long. Actually, I think going short. Go long. This thing is moving faster than a duck. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! I don't even know where to place my order. So 75. I have to learn from these mistakes. Let's pause! Pocket champ! What am I saying? Gosh. Oh. Goodness sakes. We're gonna have to extend this up, boy. Right, you better not, but I'm telling you. Okay, I can't see any of these lines, so I'm gonna have to change this. Better not, but I be telling you why. Alright, so this would be your signal bar. I mean, the big fat man with the long white beard. He's coming. So that's 2 ticks right here. 2 points, so points. Our entrance should have been right here. Let's go ahead and just close this and just buy right here. Oh gosh, oh gosh. Oh gosh. What? Skype, friend. Okay, so we were gonna have to act a lot faster. This is gonna be tough, bro. If you miss out on it, don't enter it. Just hit X on your trade, and if you miss out on it, you miss out on it, you know. Alright, let's buy right here. Your order has been submitted. Hopefully we get filled in here. This. Nice. We hit the target. Let go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, that would have came nowhere near our stop. Our stop is like that only came down 2 points. Our stop is, or 8 ticks. Our stop is 22 ticks out. Is that correct? 22 ticks. Nope. 22 ticks out. Easy squeezy lemon peasy. So that was a good read. People were looking to go short. Again, oh dear God, it's Jason. Okay, so what are you doing? Ooh. So a lot of people were going long here, which is, and once we got that double bottom, you can suspect a lot of people to do this. This is a huge pattern that people trade, W pattern, and so once that started to break up here, um, people started going long, and that's where paper. Can't tell. Just had some Monster. I'm drinking. Okay, so once again, huge legs down. I mean, massive legs. So everybody's looking to go short. There's your opportunity right there. And also, people were going long here. They would have had the order right there or something, a higher low, and they would have got stopped out, pushing the market down. And then all these people got stopped out that could have also pushed the market back up. Yeah, but I think a lot of people, or we're trying to go short here, putting their order right here or putting their order right here, and that's what really pushed the market up. Yeah, that's it. People were gonna, there's the second entry short right there. The market started to, especially right here. I think there was a bunch of shorts for some reason going long right here, and that really pushed the market in that direction. 8:48 in this time now. Crazy. We're at 3 for 3 right now, which is extremely lucky because yesterday we had 0 for negative 10 trades. Chacho, are you eating, mister? Okay, we could suspect a lot of people trying to go long here. It's that bottoming pattern. Classic. You know what, actually? People went short here. There. Looks like that's what actually happened. Bam, bam. Okay, so we can suspect a lot of people are going long now. It went a lot farther than what people suspected. So now everybody triggered, it triggered something in their head, which is to go long now. So we can suspect a lot of people to go long now, like I said. And this is actually 1 time speed. So people are going to look for the opportunity to go long. It's hard to believe anybody going short because of the way the market is behaving right now, which is like this. And but yeah, then it instantly reverses and then instantly reverses in that direction, you know. And then okay, that's what the market. And then we have this leg up. People are thinking in their heads, now it's time to go long. But then again, it could be just like another spike down. So we might get actual sells here. So the reason it turns down is because everybody's trying to bandwagon onto this. So we're going to look for a sell. It's going to be imperishable. Swing high first entry. The only thing I'm worried about is that people learned from the past already, but this is going to be a good test. Because we have a swing high first entry and we're going to wait for the second entry right now. This keeps pushing on down. I'm worried that people caught onto this and know to pick tops at these specific points at the turning points, and looks like, and pick bottoms, you know, picking tops, picking bottoms. So here might come the reversal. All right, we're gonna pause. And there, all the shorts come in, try to short it, and that pushes the market right back up. So, like we were talking about, we had a trend up, And people were picking those stops just like right here.
Yeah, there's
That's
no
the
bubbles
pattern
this
that
time
kept
'cause we're
popping up.
using,
Sorry
proximity
if you
chat,
hear
so
Saikuno in the background. That's
Um,
streaming. First time with proximity chat, so just to give a timestamp where we are.
Before you do that, make sure you go into the settings and uncheck the box that says show lobby code.
Yeah.
Oh, it's Ludwig.
So at this point, we do want to be selling because now a lot of people are convinced it's going to keep pushing up. But this is the pattern that we keep getting, which is this right here.
Oh, wait, we can't hear anyone anymore.
What happened?
There, I clutched it. Jack, you
Wow.
The lobby.
Nice job, Jack.
So selling here is actually the thing we would want to do. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like we'll get the opportunity to. That's alright. It's a little difficult to tell where the market's going. But if we were to go short here, so this kind of ends at 75. We would short from right here. And now right here, 25. So right here, entry. This is a great second entry long.
Your order has been submitted.
Okay, we'll leave our order exactly where it is. I think going long is actually better. Well, we don't got that second entry anymore.
Order has been canceled.
Alright, there is a... But I think going short is actually the better option here. We got a strong trend up. People like to chase that market. It might pull down just like it pulled down here and then pull right back up again. So good thing we stayed out of that, huh? Market really pushed down there. Now everybody can suspect the market to keep going down here. And I actually think going long here is actually the better option. I actually think going long here is the better option. It's a weird one, but I think it's a better option. Okay, hold on, Chacho, okay? Yep, market pushes up on higher. Yeah, I think we would have got stopped out. Probably not yet, actually. Actually, I think that works out. Hold on, let's slow down. Entry would be $1. Whoa. Okay. Right here. And then we'd be, how much is 22? That's 5 points. So yeah, we would have got that scalp. Okay, can you wait, please? Thanks. So the market's pushing up. Working sideways here. We got a leg up. Another leg up. Okay, a little frustrated. We got a leg up. We got a swing high first entry. So I thought prices were gonna definitely keep on working up, but we do have these strong trends up. So we can probably imagine everybody's going long here, especially since we are doing this sort of thing right here. Yeah, a lot of people were going long there, especially if you had that drawn out there. I think trends is actually something that we could probably use to our advantage. I suspect a lot of people going short there, which is why I kept going. Yeah, let's go ahead and see if trends is going to help us in our favor. This one's for me right now, at least it's a tough read. I would personally go long, but this could possibly shoot down. I think people could have used this as support right here to use an excuse to go long, which could push the market down. Go ahead and see what happens. 10 times the speed. Yeah, so going long there was probably the better option. And actually, I think we would have got our scalp. Let's go ahead and see, actually. So our entrance would have been right here at 75. So 3 points out. This is 2 points. Right? So right here. Entrance would have been right here. and then we would be 5 points out from here. So it's 2 points out, 4 points out. Yeah, we would have got stepped out. So hopefully the 950 tick chart is the one that better option, you know? I think a ton of people are going to keep on trying to short this thing. Let's see if we could actually do this in real time. So 75, our entrance would be right there. Let's go. If this closes here, we're going to have to move. 25, have to enter here. Gosh, okay, we're good where we are. Because that's our, oh no, that's not our signal bar. Hold on. This is our signal bar. No, yeah, we're good actually. Yeah. Because this is our signal bar, but it breaks here. Then you would have your order right there when it breaks lower. It's an interesting way to trade. See if we can get the scalp here. I think a lot of people are gonna try and short this thing. Nice, ammo. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I think a lot of people were trying to short this because of the downtrend. Trying to trap everybody going long. Yeah. We don't want to be selling here. I'd prefer to be buying, just because we had the strong like area of people trying to buy, which was support. Once it broke below there, people were convinced this market's going to keep going down. We want to avoid buying. I mean, avoid selling. Might get a setup here actually.
Your order has been submitted.
All right, our entrance would be $1, so right here. To trade this Nasdaq, you gotta be real quick with calculations on where your entrance would be. Gotta be. I think a lot of people are still going short because these strong moves down. What is going? So break lower. This. So a ton of people just entered the trade. I think that's why that shot down right there like that. Right there like that. Shot down there like that. Hey. This could be our first loss today. Hopefully we read the market right. I think a lot of people went oh, what? Whoa. What is going on here? What was that? What?
Stop filled.
Not too sure what just happened. So we bought here. Hold. Get us. Not sure what happened. Yeah, I'm actually straight confused. Let's check this real quick. Where's our scalps at? Should be at. Oh, profit trigger is 14. No wonder. It's got to be 16. No wonder. Okay. Frozen. Okay. And we should probably edit the one ticker as well. Oh wait, there's no runner on the one. So this one is our first lost. Jesus, what is up with this? Why is it so slow? What's going on? Clear the drawings or something? Interesting. So it looks like a lot of people were going long here because of this low right here. So that's something you have to watch out. People, it looks like people actually trade that. Going long there. As you can see, people went long here. The market start reversing, stop them out. But this one was less obvious, I would assume. So we didn't want to join the people going long here. Just like not necessarily we didn't join the people going long here. We were going against the people going short here. So that's why this one works out. So that's why we go long there, even though it's below that one. So here you're still trading with these people here. So that's the reason that one gets stopped out. So let's keep going. At this point, I think buying is the best option because it's been on a strong downtrend, and people are trying to just trade the breakout and are just assuming it's going to break down below here. That's really just going to push the market back up. So let's see if we can. All right, we'll 15 times it. And oh, our buy was right there actually. I think we might have gotten stopped out. Maybe if we didn't get the scalp yet, we can probably take it still. Alright, our signal bar, our entry would be right here at 75, so right here. Yeah, we would not have gotten stopped out just yet, so we can go ahead and just buy here.
Your order has been submitted.
And I think we already got the scalp though, so that's how many do we go for? I don't even remember, bro. Job love. 15 ticks. Okay. So that's almost 4 points. 15 ticks, right? So that's 3 points, 2 ticks, 3 ticks, 3 points and 3 ticks. So we have to check if we got that yet. 2 points, 3 points. Yeah, you would have got it. I would have got it. You would have got it. Nice. So going long there, I think, is the better option. Okay, let's not try to speed this thing up. Let's do it naturally. I think selling here is the better option because now people are suspecting, since we're testing these lows to go long, it's kind of got a bottoming pattern. So I think going short is actually the better option here. Also, it's been on a strong downtrend, so people are thinking in the back of their minds that this downtrend can only happen for so long. Going short, you can only go short for so long. Now prices are starting to look like they're going in the other direction, so we want to go short. We want to go short. People are also buying this all the way. That's why it keeps going up and down, up and down, up and down. Yeah, all the way down, people are buying this, so I think going short here is the option we should be taking. Especially if it breaks below here. Yeah, going short. Okay, entrance would be right here.
Your order has been submitted.
Actually, no, that's only 1 point out. I mean, 2 ticks out. 2 points out. 3 point. Okay, right at 75. Now it's at 50. Will it come all the way up? 50 right there. And we're good. Don't leave without us. This is still our signal bar. Super congested, but I think we're okay. I haven't really traded. I've never really traded the Nasdaq. So it's really hard to tell. So this is only the first day. We're really just trading. Trying to do our best trading. Yeah. Gotta stop doing that. Right now it's getting a little bit congested, so people are definitely going to be buying here, especially if it pushes up this high. I'm just worried that I'm pretty sure. Okay, so people who sold here have their stops here. Once it pushed down there, people are exiting. No one's really just trying. Okay, let's just go ahead and see. there could be a ton of stops here. Oh, wow, came almost to the tick. Actually, our entrance should have been 1 tick down, so right here at 75, because that's our signal bar, matched the same low. So I think our price is already pulled back. So let's see if, come on, push back up, Fill us in this order. No.
Order has
No. Yeah, we should have got filled to the tick there. Oh well. But that was a good read. Market's gonna keep pushing down because everybody's going long there, especially during that congestion. We've been on that downtrend for a while. People are suspecting, hey, we've been on this downtrend, can't keep going down. There's a portion we just gotta go up sometime. And people saw this consolidation here, saw the consolidation here, use that as support, decided to go long, and that's what really pushed the market back down. Yeah. And also in the back of their minds, they were thinking, since we got this downtrend, they're trying to fool the people who think we're coming back over here by thinking in their heads, oh, maybe it's not going to go all the way down. We might push back up and push up early instead of coming all the way back down to here. So that's why that was a good trade. Man, oh man. All right, cool. I'm really hoping that this is it. But those are the famous last words, but we got this. I can do this all day. Alright, we just entered this area of support, so we don't want to be buying here actually. We kind of missed the trade, but not really. The market was just wait. Yeah, no swing high. Oh yeah, there is a swing high right there. So swing high, first entry, second entry. I would have took this, yes. We probably would have got stepped out. This was our signal bar, actually. Let's just go ahead and zoom in and see if we got it or not. Sorry about the music in the background. Let me put on my headphones. See if you can actually hear me. Oh, cool. You can hear me. Entrance would be at 50, so right here. That's 2 points out. 3 points out. Yeah, easy peasy scalp. But we kind of missed it. I kind of was putting Stella's to sleep. Wow, this night is pretty good. You can actually see me and stuff. Really dark in this room, like really dark. All the lights come in for my laptop. Okay, let's hit play. So we don't want to be going long here, so we want to be going short. This is an opportunity to go long, but we don't want to go long here. It's a better option because people are gonna keep on pushing. Okay. Nothing really. Market's pushing up now. Oh wait, hold on. Oh no. Never broke lower. Why does it do that? Starting to believe that people are actually going short because of this spike here. And let's see what happens actually. I'm not gonna take it just out of habit. This was their signal bar. Entrance would be right here. Yeah, I think too many people went long for us to go short here. I mean to go long here. See him, but I got stabbed out, boy. So we got a good read there. So it looks like it did play out. Go along here. Based upon. As you can see, people were trying to go along here. And actually going short there is the better option. And voila. God. I just didn't suspect for it to keep pushing down there. People would keep on shorting this, but it looks like people are trying to buy this all the way back in. Kind of crazy. We can suspect everybody trying to find an opportunity to go short if it pushes back enough to have them convinced, or to have enough people convinced that the market is doing like a pullback, to fool people who don't know the market's gonna might keep going up, if that makes sense. But it doesn't look like we're gonna get that setup. Basically, that setup would look like this. So if we were coming down here, we would ideally want something like this. And those people would think, all right, it's time to finally go short. So a ton of people are gonna go short. And actually, that might have been a bit too big. Maybe more like this. And that's a great opportunity to go short, and you would go long right there.
Let's go.
And everybody's just waiting for an opportunity to go short, but this market keeps on dropping low. And then when people got the guts to finally sell, the market pushes up, they get worried, and they scalp out. Yeah. At this point, I was worried that people were trying to continually buy, but now we pushed on far enough where these little corrections didn't even have the chance to keep going up. So we're gonna look for an opportunity. So
We learned that
I mean to buy.
Travis is a geek or something.
Everybody's selling.
Send home.
You just hit the sell mark button. You can be fine.
Submitted.
Here's everyone's opportunity to finally sell.
Just two bros chatting in the apple orchard. Yeah. What a life.
Came to the tick. Entered to be a 50. Came to the tick and pulled back.
Wait, what?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
What the?
It looks like that's happened twice already, so I think we might have to do
Why?
like 2 points out maybe. No, I think we're fine where we are.
Oh,
We
please.
just probably should have took an obvious there. Dang, yeah, we should have took an obvious.
Jennifer Nicole, have a great
Or like
night.
a two ticker. Yeah,
Good week.
unfortunate.
It's not even working in the garbage. Is it
Oh man, I was doing that backwards. Oh, was I recording the whole time? Oh shoot.
clean? Go to sleep yet? No.
Oh no. Oh boy. I don't feel like repeating what I said, but been down. Second entry, should have taken obvious.
Oh.
I don't know what obvious is yet. Probably
Ew.
just a 2 ticker probably, or one.
Stinky.
I mean 2 pointer maybe. Or 1 pointer. 2 pointer. We'll see. But this trend's working up here, so there's a ton of people still selling, so we still want to buy. Alright, I have to move this up. So this would be at 50 now. Right here. Swing low, first entry. I think people are gonna keep selling this, so that's why we're going low. Look good. Great.
Order has been canceled.
Okay, now we're convinced everybody's going long. It's kind of a trend, spike to a trend, so yeah, we can suspect for people to be going. Oh, people are still going short. Interesting. The way we know that is because the market keeps pushing up. So now people are looking for the opportunity to go long. Might present itself. We're at 3 times the speed. No first entry yet. Where's your first entry? We're only at 2 times the speed. This market's printed. It's gotta keep pushing up, unfortunately. People are waiting for that opportunity and it's just not gonna give it to us. Yeah. I'm worried the next trade we take is gonna be a loser. I have to think about everybody going long. Yeah, this is a long video, bro. I think I left it recording. So we're at 10 times the speed. It's 10 o'clock. You could probably just buy market and be totally fine. So okay, might get a setup here. I don't know if going for a long here is the best idea, or even going. I think the people who are this isn't the strongest trend up. Let's go ahead and see what the setup looks like. We want to be selling here. actually buying because a ton of people are going to be selling this. So I personally would be buying here. Just because of the strong downtrend, and it finally gives us the opportunity for people to have the confirmation that it's going in the other direction, and I think it's going to keep going up actually. Yep, it is. So push down far enough for people to sell, start selling, and that's what pushed the market right back up. And now a lot of people are convinced, especially after that strong trend up, that this market is just unstoppable and it's going to keep going up. So we want to look for a short now. Yeah, let's look for a short. Looks like we actually have a trend as well. So if we come back to the key entry point, people can probably spot that as well. We're on 20x. It's 10 o'clock in this market. Oh, there's our second entry. Pause. Pause, champ. We have first entry, second entry. We can suspect a couple longs here. It is a little bit of a bottoming pattern, but people are gonna go long. Okay. Only thing I'm worried about is this bottoming pattern thing. This looks like people would be selling, trying to pick the top and trying to push back down, because on the back of everyone's mind this trend is pushing on down. Actually, did we see that one? Double bottom here. First entry, second entry. I don't know if I mentioned it. I have short-term memory loss. I still think buying is a better option here because people are selling this thing all the way up. So I think buying is a better option there. Wouldn't be in the trade yet. Not just yet. But yeah. And we would have got our scalp as well. Could have took that, but we didn't, unfortunately. I think selling here is the best option. Oh, a lot of people are going long because it's pulled back enough for traders to think they're fooling the people who are going short, and that's where they go long. 25, 5 right there. As you can see, it always comes to the tick and pulls back. So something I'm noticing about this market. Okay. That's the biggest bar I've ever seen. So looks like there was a lot of bottoming pattern of shorts. All right, and we deserve this. So it's like we said, it was that bottoming pattern. Going long is probably the best option. Everybody saw this and wanted to go short, so people went short. Going long there was a better option. So I think people are going to keep on shorting this thing all the way up, even after this break. So going long here is the better option. Selling long first entry, second entry. Our entry would be right here. Let's go ahead and try to do this in real time. And it's 75. All right. That is not where I place my. There.
Order filled.
How does that look on? Like should our orders be bigger, wider? I think just the volatility is kind of crazy, so like that. I think this like scalping strategy pluses or stop limit is. I think it's a pretty good. One more tick and we would have got stopped out. So there's definitely something happening with our. So let's see if we can blow the account. That's our goal. So prices behave a lot more clearly in the morning than it does in the afternoon. So if we had a strong trend up, the obvious thing would be to buy, but it looks like people are selling that spike there, so that's what pushes the market. Um, so we got stopped out here because we joined the topping pattern, and we sold here, and it came and stopped us out. Here we tried to trade with the people who were going short after the spike, and yeah, we went short. Actually, no, we went long, trying to trade with the people who went long here. So it looks like people like to chase the market in this specific trade. People were not suspecting the prices to come on down this far. So now that we know that, we can suspect a lot of people to go ahead and go short here. So actually going along here is the better option. Prices consolidate. Oh, we could have got that scalp. Oh, let's see what we could have done. We could have saw this and prices pulled back and hit this level of support. So yeah, a ton of people might have gone long, so we could have went against that. The market was working down just enough, but we've been on the strong uptrend. Yeah, we could have took that and gone long. But we got long right here as well. Stopped out. But I guess no one was really taking the second entry short. Yeah. That's a second entry long that people get stopped out on. So yeah, I guess it's got to be more of a clear second entry and a clear second entry short. A clear second entry. Because look, that's a great second entry long. We gotta make this. Pushing. Selling here. Looks like people are picking tops here. Imagine that after those spikes we can expect to have people going short here. What we want to do is I think people are picking tops here. So they're gonna be selling, so we want to be buying. So yeah, we'll go ahead and take this guy. That's place the order in here. On real time, so that's 75 it looks like. Order would be right. That's 20. 50. Right here. Our entrance would be at 75, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, and I think once it breaks below here, we'll be able to get the scalp because now people are really picking these tops and this topping pattern right here. So we can suspect a lot of people to end up trying to go short here. There's a second entry long, but we want to go long this way.
Order stop filled.
Oh, went to the tick. Oh, interesting. Alright, we blew the account. Congratulations, guys. We did it. So, it looks like everybody's trying to outsmart those people who are trying to do the topping pattern. Doesn't look like anybody was actually doing it here. Because it behaved exactly. Oh, you know what? If it went here, then it consolidated. People were trying to buy here at this level. People got bought, pushed on down. And yeah, a lot of people got stopped out. Interesting. Actually an interesting one to me. So I do think people are still trying to go along here. We're gonna try to look for just gonna let this video run. Why the hell not? And it keeps on going down. The new swing high. So people are looking for the opportunity to go short, and this is their opportunity. Go ahead and buy here.
Submitted.
Oh my god, kill me. Dollar. At $1. Why do I always say at $1? Dollar. There's no dollars. And at 0, 0. 0, 0. Alright. Wow, that's actually pushing on really high. Like people are still trying to short this. Let's go ahead and buy market. Probably like be so freaking successful guessing the market. Like you guessed at any point that this market's gonna go up. Like those. Don't want to buy anymore. Go ahead and 50,000 X this. Just kidding, just let's go ahead and just buy market. Yeah, that worked out for us.
Nice. We hit the target. Stop filled.
Alright, you got it. Let's go ahead and sell market.
Nice.
Go ahead and buy market. Like, what the hell? Guess this. That's all I have to do. Guess twice. So silly, dude. So freaking silly. Alright, we have a second entry long here. Oh, shoot, stop. Pause. 75. No, we would not get into trade. Actually, yeah. Okay, we'll pretend that this that makes up for this, right? We got the scalp, nice. That was swing high first entry, second entry. That was the first opportunity to go long, and yeah. And we'll go ahead and pretend the other one was for the other one that we saw. Didn't take because we're fast forwarding this. Okay. So at this point, people are still trying to buy this thing because of that strong uptrend that we had here. And so buying here is in everyone's mind. Once the market starts to consolidate, people get anxious. Everybody who's selling, once that makes that little correction a little bit pushed down, people are gonna exit here, and this is gonna, it doesn't do a little push, yep, and it's gonna keep, because these guys never got an opportunity to exit again. Maybe right here, but people, they were suspecting the prices were gonna pull down a little bit more, and they would have exited there. People got burnt. Now we got a strong trend up. At 20 times the speed, by the way. So here we have like a double top sort of thing. It's also a second entry, single first entry, second entry. We can suspect a lot of people to end up trying to short these things, which I want to buy here. Go ahead and this would be your signal bot, or either one, any one of these actually. 75 is right here. Buy right there. Pretty sure this one's gonna work out. Now people are suspecting. Believe it. Oh no. Stop them out. Okay. Cancel the trade.
Order has been canceled.
Alright, here's the opportunity to go long. I'm gonna go ahead and go short because we let me pause it because I'm going to explain. We're on this uptrend and people are trying to look for the opportunity to go long. Looks like this is their opportunity to finally go long. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and short it. The entrance will be at $1, so I'm gonna say $1. You know, whatever. I don't know why I say it. I'm just gonna shoot. No, that's not our entrance anymore. Let's pause. Entrance is here. Yeah, I'm not gonna speed it up. Chill out, relax. Actually, this is an obvious entry. but we do have these highs here, so that's why I'm a little hesitant. Never triggers. This is still your signal bar. Still never triggered. Alright, it's not really a second entry, but I think enough people are thinking this market's gonna keep on going up. I'm gonna place our order. We're at 50. That was it. Place it here. 50. So gonna become our signal bar. That closes at 25. We're gonna come in. Grab our order. And that's our signal bar right here. 15 times this. Come on, fill us.
Order filled.
Oh,
Stop filled.
don't stop us out though, dude. What the hell? It looks like people were picking tops there, huh? Pickers. So we didn't want to join. Fortunate. Had the right idea, it looks like. Hundred times 15 times this. So since there's a lot of top pickers, we can go ahead and just go long. All those people who just got stopped out, including myself, there's a lot of stops here, and they probably exited here already, which could potentially just push the market back down. The only thing is I'm worried about joining all the top pickers. This market, it looks like it's going on an uptrend, and I think it's convinced a lot of people that it's gonna shoot on down. So we're gonna go ahead and so we have swing low, first entry, second entry. This one should work out if it works.
Order has been cancelled.
The market's working up. We're at 100 times the speed. 12:15 in the market. People are looking for an opportunity to go long there. Why didn't that spike like going short? People are putting this all the way up, bro. It's crazy. Trend line here. Here's their opportunity to finally go long. Alright, so 75. Right here.
Your order is
Actually, we're gonna do this as an obvious, so just a one ticker right above this guy. Let's see if. Oh, wait, what? Why did we get filled on the order? Let's just close this order. We're not gonna count that. We're not counting this anymore. Wait. Oh, just a play, right? Okay, yeah. I don't know what's going on. Basically, yeah.
Your order has been submitted.
That's their signal bar. Pushing down. Came back to this key entry point. Alright, about to get filled on the order. Oh, didn't even have to move the thing. So we could suspect a lot of people going long here. Let's 20x this.
Stop filled.
So I'm trying to figure out why in the world we lost every single fucking pick. I think it's because we trying to pick tops just like it looks like top picking is everybody's in NASDAQ, especially here. People love picking the tops. So There's no consolidation there. I don't even know. But up going strategy a lot better. Second end. Go after that. Oh, every single one of those trades would have. It's like you have to decide where in the world. Second entry line. Break to a new high. Lower high. This strategy is really working. Nasdaq. Then you get a swing high first entry, second entry. You were a lot of support. Probably that's just the one trade that would have worked, but obviously that wouldn't work for us. Swing over second entry. No one's looking at that as this. I'm not sure why that. This was another. We had bot here. Oh yeah, we randomly bought and sold market and got it. Okay, here we had a swing high first. Second. Swing high first entry. Expecting prices to keep on going lower at this point. And it did technically, but it too far low. The thing that sucks is that you try so far. Going so damn hard trying to understand the market. Maybe I right and just continually on it. See if we saw this as a double top first entry, second entry. But the market, there's a lot of sellers who keep on selling the market. Market pushes right back up once they see it. Right back up. Selling, the market pushes up. Yeah, the market is really good at stopping 90% of people out. Just have to figure out how to capitalize. So let's keep going. Grab some courage and buy market.
Order filled. Stop filled.
There's your first. Your second. I actually think that going long here is the best option. Actually, maybe not, because we've been on this uptrend. People are trying to pick tops. People are losing money. I highly doubt people are continually crazy to me. They short the market keep going up. Okay, by definition, if people keep shorting this in all the way down, hypothetically, this should. We were to go long, but we're gonna go short because I think after that strong trend up, people are now fed up with the market and are gonna go long here after it pulled down really far back and that bar right there. So entrance would be at 75, 75. Right.
Your order has been submitted.
We would have got in the trade.
Order filled. Nice. We hit the target.
Get a runner action.
Stop filled.
I think we would have scalped out on that, right? We know not to ever take one. Hope a demon. I think we should start combining Mac's strategy because his strategy works out fairly well if we want to be going long or short, stuff like that. But maybe we can try integrating it. Now it's 2 o'clock, so let's go ahead and trade December 1st. Yeah, so that'll be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.